There we go. Hey, dude. We're live on YouTube, man. What do you think? Hey, dude. Get my thumb. This is Thor. Thor, man, he's a dude, man. Aren't you? You a dude. Say hi to the YouTube fans out there. Hey, dude. Get my thumb. Get it. Get it, man. Get it, man. This is Thor, man. He's a dude. He's a boy. His name is Thor, man. You named Thor? Yeah, you're a dude. Aren't you a dude? Come on, talk to me. Tell me. Aren't you a dude? Turn around. Let everybody see ya. Man, you a dude. He's molting right now. It's about the time of season to molt, right? Aren't you a dude? Yeah, you're a dude. Cool, man, huh? You like Cheech and Chong? Yeah, they some cool dudes, huh? You like Cheech and Chong? People saying, who the heck is Cheech and Chong? Going back to the 50s, man, or, what did I say 50s for? Going back to the 70s, man. Going back to the 70s, man. Go look up Cheech and Chong. They're the cool dudes. Aren't they? You like Cheech and Chong, Thor? Hey, man, you want some Molly Wally, man? You want some Molly Wally? You know what Molly Wally is? Thor? Hey, dude. Want some Molly Wally, man? Yeah, I dig that. Thanks for the kiss, boy. Thanks for the kiss. Alright. Bye-bye. Oh, now you want to look in the mirror? Or did I say keep saying mirror? Now you want to look at the camera? Alright, we'll be back.